$20.49 for chicken margherita at the Olive Garden. So, Ma always said, if you can make it better, you make it better at home. So that's what we're doing today, and I'm putting my twist into it. So, let's go. Okay, so I already pre-sliced my chicken, and all I did was season it with salt and pepper, okay? So to our hot pan, we're gonna add olive oil and just a sprinkle of garlic, because we're gonna use the rest of this garlic later. Then we're just gonna add our chicken. About 3 to 4 minutes on each side. All right, we're gonna let this cook for a couple of minutes. Now we're gonna use some Italian seasoning. A generous amount, don't be wimpy. All right. Then, I'm gonna give it a nice squeeze of fresh lemon. Give it a nice shower. I use a lot of lemon in my cooking. It just brings out all the flavor. Nice shower. All right. And then let's add more pepper. All right, and we're just gonna have that cook 3 to 5 minutes. For my sauce today, we're using my fresh pesto. All right, and we're just gonna pour it right on. And we're just gonna have this simmer. We're gonna turn the heat down low, and we're just gonna have this simmer. Now we're gonna do a couple of things while our chicken is simmering. I'm going to cut up a couple of summer squash because we're going to throw this right in the pan with the chicken and the pesto. And these scraps go to the chickens. All right. Now, our salad. This is a fresh spinach. I cleaned it, already washed, dried. All right. We're going to cut our tomatoes. After making the Alfredo, the chicken Alfredo, it was delicious. But it's so heavy, especially with the heat being up in the 90s. So I just wanted something super light tonight, super easy. And always super delicious. Okay, now I'm using pearl mozzarella balls. They're just so cute and they're so pretty. We usually eat them like a little snack. Give it a swirl. A little bit of olive oil. A little bit of salt, and your pepper, and another squeeze of lemon. Let's add our squash. Then we're going to add some chicken broth. Maybe just a half a cup. And then since I don't have a cover for this pan, we're going old school and we're using tin foil. Alright, we're just going to have this simmer for about maybe 10 minutes. In that time, I'm going to go clean up my kitchen. Okay, nice simmer. So now we're going to shut off the heat and we're going to add a mixture of provolone and mozzarella cheese. And we're just going to recover, and we're just going to have the cheese melt naturally. The reveal. Oh, no, that's a big piece. Oh, well. All right, here we go. Oh, know what we need. Okay, a little bit more juice. Now, our salad. Now, to top it off, balsamic. Just a little sugar. And there you have it. Chicken margherita, my way. All right, let's try this. Whoa. Oh. Now this. This is a summer dish I'll make again. And I saved $20.49. I made a whole entire pot, a whole salad. Chicken margherita. Better at home. Olive Garden. $20.49. My house. I'm going to be a little corny here. Priceless. So if you like these sort of videos, hit that button, subscribe, hit that like, comment, and follow, and all that other good stuff. For the love of Ma. Thanks, Ma.